Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we review the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor gear with the Rock Cloud Portable Camping Chair, touted as one of the best in its category.
Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. The Rock Cloud Portable Camping Chair is designed for those who love spending time outdoors. Whether you're camping, hiking, or enjoying a day at the beach, this chair promises to be your reliable companion. Let's talk features. First off, this chair is ultralight, weighing in at just 2.6 pounds. It's incredibly portable with a compact package size of 14 by 5 by 5 inches, making it easy to carry in its included carry bag. Setting it up is a breeze. Thanks to its lightweight aluminum pole system and shock-corded frame, you can have this chair ready in seconds. No complex assembly required, just pop it open, attach the seat fabric, and you're good to go. What about stability? The Rock Cloud chair features a sturdy aerospace-grade aluminum alloy frame with a new square structure design. It distributes weight across 4 support points, enhancing stability and increasing its load-bearing capacity up to 280 pounds. Comfort-wise, it doesn't disappoint. The seat is made from durable 600D Oxford fabric, known for its flexibility and easy maintenance. It's even machine washable, ensuring it stays fresh trip after trip. The ergonomic design supports your back and offers a comfortable seating experience. Whether you're lounging by the campfire or taking a break on the trail, breathable mesh panels promote airflow, keeping you cool in warmer conditions.
Need extra storage?
This chair comes equipped with side pockets for your essentials like phones or water bottles,
allowing you to keep your hands free while you enjoy nature. That wraps up our review of the Rock Cloud Portable Camping Chair. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews. Until next time, happy adventuring!